Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is April the 9th, 2020. We're going to give you all this update on Uber stock to see if it's a very important update to see whether or not this particular stock is going to be able to break restriction at $28. If this is your first time watching our video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like and share the video. Join us on other social media platforms, Instagram, Twitter, and as well as on Facebook. We do got a website, HueFinancial.com, of which we give out all of our other forecasts and price predictions in the stock market as well as in the cryptocurrency space. So make sure you join us on our website if you guys want to learn more about language analysis and how we're able to possess and understand the likelihood of direction in the stock market. Okay, so being fully transparent with each and every one of you, we're going to update you on what the market in Uber stock did since our last video, which was on February the 8th, 2020. We was looking for the market in Uber to continue to see higher price. And as you guys can tell, it did, but it didn't get as high as what we expected. On our video, we did state that our TP was going to be around $42, and it did it the following week. You guys can see right there that the market in Uber came up there towards $42. As a matter of fact, the high for that particular week was $41.86. So we was 14 cents away from actually getting that ultimate TP, but it's pretty close. I mean, you can't be specific in terms of how you're going to hit that TP. We knew that restriction as well was at $41 on that particular video. We pointed that out, and literally the next following week, the market couldn't break above it. So that was an indication and a clue that the market in Uber wasn't going to follow through with a very good movement that we saw the week before. Okay, so yeah, if you wasn't able to grab that 42 TP area around that 3% profit, then you could be at a loss right now. If you're still in the position of about 33.35%. Okay, so let's go ahead and get rid of that. And we're going to talk about where we get into the market now in Uber and pinpoint some things out in this space that we need to be aware of in the market in Uber as we continue to go forward. And what I wanted to show you is right here at this vicinity right now in Uber, the market is finding restriction. So I'll say around like $28.25 is where the market in Uber is trying to break up above. Okay, you can also tell that $24 is the near-term area of support. If not, that is at 26. Okay, so this is a long-term area to be aware of in the market in Uber. Right there around $28 is where the market is finding restriction. Okay, looking at Uber stock on the daily time frame, you guys can tell right here, you know, this last 5 trading days that started on the 25th and ended on the 31st of March, the market in Uber couldn't break up above $28. So we did take a minor slump in its space the next following 3 trading days, but we recovered from that particular fall, and now we're testing that area once again in Uber. The question now is, will Uber be successful at tagging above $28? That's the question that we're going to address today in this video. So another thing you can tell is that back here in November of 2019, the market held support at $26. We did the same thing now. Okay, we got some weakness that came through yesterday. Still got some weakness coming in on the 7th as well. So there's still sellers here in the market in Uber right around $26 to $28. We need to continue to see strength entering the market in Uber before we'll see this market tag up above $28. Take a look at Uber on the 4-hour chart. Yes, we did see weakness, but the market in Uber is still euphoric to try to continue to see price movement higher. The only thing that's in its way is $28. That's the only thing that is in Uber's way of moving higher in price. So what we're going to do, we're going to continue to play the market in Uber with the continued movement higher in price. But I'm not expecting it to happen like today, tomorrow, maybe even the beginning half of next week. I'm not really seeing the market in Uber trying to break that soon. But nevertheless, the indication of market strength is still appearing So that's how we're going to have to play this market movement in Uber. Okay. So we're going to hold support right there around $24 in Uber. And we'll try to grab that TP around $30 ultimately, but restriction is right there around 28. So we'll tag at 28 too, which will be about 5% profitability in the market in Uber. But overall, the market is trading calm. The only objective is to really focus in on this area of $28. Okay. If we continue to see weakness at this particular point, then understand that the market in Uber will not move higher. That's what we're on the lookout for. But currently the market is still trying to break up above $28, which is why we're putting in this forecast of the market in Uber to continue to see some movement higher. But I'm definitely keeping my eyes open on whether or not we get more strength around this particular space, $28. So that's it. Questions, comments, you know where we at. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and I'm done.